If you want to adjust the sound volume on your Redmi Watch 5 Lite and on your Redmi Watch 5 Active, here's how to do it. So to do this, you'll need to go into the settings of your watch, and the easiest way to go into settings is by swiping up from the watch face, from the bottom of the watch face, and selecting the settings icon. So tap on the settings icon. Under the settings, select the sound and vibration option. Tap on it. And first you'll need to ensure that this option is turned off. So this option basically mutes all sound, but the vibrations are still active. But if you want to change the sound volume, if you prefer using sound, you'll need to turn this off. So now, as you can see, when it's on, there's some options that are grayed out. So when you turn it off like that, the options will appear. So to adjust the adjust the sound volume, you can do that for the ring. That is how your watch rings whenever someone calls you or whenever a notification comes in. So you can either increase the volume like that, and you'll be able to hear it in real time. You can reduce it as however you want, and you can also do the same for the alarm. So this is the alarm. You can either increase the volume, select the alarm option first, and then you can increase the alarm sound. You can reduce it like that. So that's basically how to change or adjust the sound volume on your Redmi Watch 5 Lite and on your Redmi Watch 5 Active. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Take care and God bless.